How are the exported data presented in the ILS? Looking first at Symfony, looking at the OPAC, the view of the item information, you see that the interpunction is missing between the title and the subtitle. You see also that the content of $0, the linking information, is added to the name. Looking at another view, catalog record in Symfony, you can notice it too. Concerning the ISBN, you can see that the subfield $9 with the structured ISBN with hyphens is displayed too. And in all lines where the contents of more than one subfield is displayed, we can see that Symfony expects the ISBD interpunction at the end of the subfield contents. I'm pleased about the subject headings, which seem to display well. To complete the view to Symfony, here is the view to the MARC fields. I would add that there is a small bug in our conversion concerning the output of subfield C in the second field of the ISBN. Now a short look to the COA system, which a colleague from our ILS team configured for the Hochschule für jüdische Studien in Heidelberg. The collection of the library contains many documents in Hebrew script. In our SVB database, librarians are able to describe a document in Latin and vernacular script. In this normal view, you can notice that the Hebrew script isn't displayed, but subjects are underlined. 5. Here's a small extract of the MARC view in Koha. The reason for the underlined subject is that a link was built by the record control number of our database by converting the content of $0 to the $9, which is used in Koha for linking. This is a very good result. In the second half of this page, you see the export of the Hebrew script by using the 80 fields instead of using the code closing parentheses and 2 for coding the Hebrew script. We use the ISO script code because we do the export of more than 20 scripts out of our system. First results. Holdings data. VU find import cannot handle separate title and holdings records. Koa import uses a concordance which converted local data to field 952 with different subfields. We have discussed the possible solutions which I mentioned here. ISBD interpunction at the end of subfields. The missing interpunction in the data file needs more configuration in the OPAC view of Koa and Symfony. Next step, we will look at the configuration if it is possible to input the interpunction. Record control numbers in $0 and $W. Koa is able to deal with record control numbers and create links between records. We expect that Symfony will be able to. Alternate graphic representation, the OPAC view of Koa needs some more configuration to display the vernacular script. A short look to the other imports side, the batch import we made for a long time for LOC data and the data, the Indian data from decay agencies, New Delhi. New is that we made a set 3950 connection with the cataloging client to Library of Congress, WorldCat and Nebis Switzerland by converting MARC-21 to Pika Plus. Next step will be to configure the batch import of data from German National Library and integrate the changes for the German and Austrian conversion to MARC-21 and the fields for locally defined elements. Here is a screenshot of the search window in our client with the Z39 connection, which allows a parallel search over all or a choice of databases. The titles in a result set are displayed in the PK3 format, and the cataloger can copy the preferred title and use it for cataloging. A last word. I think that the basics for conversion with MARC-21 are set in BSZ. For completing the landscape in data exchange with MARC-21, it is time to make MARC-21 more popular to the colleagues in BSZ and the participating libraries. In March, I started to introduce MARC-21 to my colleagues in BSZ, and I will continue next month. And it is also planned to introduce some cataloging experts in libraries, because when libraries are going to change their ILS software, the import of data from Union Catalog will be in MARC-21. Thank you for your attention.